We begin our Krispy Kreme coffee talk with something pretty sweet. Crumbl cookies, flavors of the week. Every Monday, Great Day will reveal the 4 flavors that you can get at Crumbl Cookies in Des Peres and Cottleville. You ready to hear what they are?
Yes.
This week you can pick up the following specialty flavors: chilled coconut lime, German chocolate cake, snickerdoodle, and molten lava on the far right there. Plus, of course, their regular milk chocolate chip and chilled sugar. Oh man, they are so good. Crumbl Cookies offer both contactless delivery and curbside options. Their stores remain open for socially distanced takeout orders. Crumbl Cookies located in Des Peres and Cottleville. The phone number for each location on your screen right there. For more information, visit Crumbl, CRUMBL.com.